Let's be honest, traditional presentation tools are a nightmare. You spend hours choosing templates, adjusting text boxes, aligning charts, and still end up with slides that look average. But what if I told you there's an AI tool that does all of that in just a few minutes? Whether you're a teacher preparing lessons, a student working on your project, or a professional presenting ideas to clients, Vox Deck is about to change everything. This next-gen AI presentation maker doesn't just save time, it completely replaces traditional workflows. From 3D charts to motion covers, from digital avatars that present for you to instant chat-to-deck slide creation, Vox Deck is like having your own creative design team, powered by AI. So stop wasting hours designing slides, because today, I'm going to show you how Vox Deck creates stunning, professional presentations 10x faster than anything you've ever used before. So without further ado, let's dive in. Open your browser and search for Vox Deck. Click on the first result. That's the official website. You'll also find its link in the description below. Here, you can effortlessly create captivating and professional slides. First of all, you need to log in. Click on Continue with Google. Select your Google account, and your Vox Deck account will be created instantly. When you sign up, you'll receive 1,000 free credits. And by logging in daily, you can get an additional 200 free credits every day. This is the simple yet professional interface of Vox Deck. It allows you to add custom motion covers, 3D charts, presentable avatars, and even a chat-to-deck feature. The best part is that it's incredibly easy to use, even if you're a complete beginner. All you need to do is enter a prompt telling Vox Deck what kind of presentation you want. If you already have files like Excel sheets or PDFs and want to use that data for your presentation, you can simply upload them here. Next, you'll choose a theme, and you'll find plenty of professional-looking themes to pick from. And when I say professional, I'm not talking about basic Canva-style templates. These are next level. You can also choose whether or not to include animations. Plus, if you want to add your company logo, you can easily upload it and position it anywhere in the slides. Once everything is set up, just click Send, and within 2-3 minutes, your presentation will be ready. If you just want to test the tool, there are also prompt examples provided. Let's try it out with one example. Here, I'll type, create a presentation showing global smartphone market share trends from 2020 to 2025 with 3D charts. You can even specify how many pages you want your presentation to have. Vox Deck understands your instructions just like ChatGPT and works exactly as you describe. You only need to give a prompt. It handles everything else automatically. Now, I'll select the dark theme and keep the animation mode on, because animations make the presentation look cooler and more professional. Then, I'll simply click Send, and as you can see, it has started generating our presentation. It first researches the relevant data for our topic from various websites. After that, it begins designing each page. It starts by thinking about how to structure the layout, then automatically begins coding in the background. Once the coding is complete, you'll see the page preview appear. The same process continues for each page until your full presentation is generated. In just a few minutes, you'll have a very cool and professional presentation ready, without learning design or spending hours editing. When you click Present to view it in full screen, you can see exactly how it will appear in real life. Notice how each page has smooth text animations, dynamic images, and visually appealing 3D charts, all of which give your presentation a premium feel. Every page looks slightly different, keeping it engaging and preventing your audience from getting bored. You can also click Edit to make any kind of changes, text, charts, images, or anything else. For example, if I don't like this text color, I can simply change it to white. If you want to make other adjustments, you can also give it a prompt. For example, earlier we selected a black theme, but now I want to switch to a light theme. Instead of rebuilding the entire presentation, I'll just type a prompt, make light theme. After clicking Send, you can see it instantly converts the presentation into a light theme while keeping everything else exactly the same. Another amazing feature is that you can add a video background to your first slide. As I gave it a prompt like, embed video playback from YouTube as a background about global smartphone market share trends. After sending the prompt, Vox Deck will automatically find relevant YouTube videos and select the most suitable one as your cover video. As you can see, it has added a market share trends video to the first page background. One more outstanding feature is the talking avatar. If you're someone who feels shy or nervous about presenting in front of people, this feature solves that problem for you. Simply go into full screen present mode, and you'll see an avatar icon at the bottom right corner. Click on it, and the avatar will start presenting your slides for you.
Let's begin our exploration of global smartphone market trends from 2020 to 2025.
When you press the left arrow key to move to the next page, It automatically continues talking about the new slide's content.
The competitive landscape reveals fascinating insights about market leaders.
Your audience can also ask questions about the topic directly, and Vox Deck will respond instantly, like an interactive Q&A session. You can easily share your presentation with your teammates, clients, or anyone else. Just click Share, keep the default settings as they are, and click Copy and Share link. The link is now copied, and whoever opens it will see the exact same presentation you created. If you want to export your presentation, simply click on Export to PDF. Within a few seconds, you'll have a downloadable PDF file that you can easily save to your device. Joining their Discord server gives you 500 free credits, and referring a friend gives both of you an additional 500 credits, meaning you can keep using Vox Deck for free longer. As for pricing, the free plan gives you 1,000 credits, while the Pro plan costs just $19 per month and includes 8,000 credits plus several premium features. So that's how you can create stunning, animated, and data-driven presentations with Vox Deck without spending hours designing slides. If you want to try Vox Deck yourself, the official link is in the description below. Give it a try and experience how AI can take your presentations to the next level.